Welcome to Total Retail Talks, your podcast channel for retail knowledge.
Hello, and welcome to episode 122 of Total Retail Talks. I'm Joe Keenan, Executive Editor of Total Retail. Today I'm joined by Jaime Wilson, Senior Director of Products, Apps, and Augmented and Virtual Reality for Overstock.com, an online retailer of designer brands, furniture, and home goods. We're going to be discussing the launch of augmented reality technology within Overstock's mobile app. So thanks for joining me today, Jaime.
Thanks, Joe, for having me.
So let's start by having you tell our audience a little bit about how Overstock is using augmented reality within its app. And then kind of a secondary question to that is, which products is it available? Can you use the AR technology for?
Okay, sure. Augmented reality is currently within our iOS app specifically, and it gives our customers the ability to view thousands of furniture and home decor products right in their home. And, while we're on a variety of categories, we are focused on providing mainly furniture to our customers within AR, as it's those big ticket items that are a harder barrier to purchase for our customers because they like to see the fabric, color, texture, and just how it will work within their current room.
So are they able to share that with others? So, how something will look, and they then are able to share that augmented reality view of it with others?
Yeah, so they can build their room within the augmented reality or live view, and then they can snap a picture, they can share it out on their social networks or text it to their friends or family.
So maybe you could talk a little bit about how you envision your customers using this technology.
Well, we wanted to make it a really interactive experience. So we gave our customers the ability to not just view a single item in their room, but like I said, they can design a full room. And they can also design it using recommended products and styles that we show. So we know that if you're buying a couch, you might also need some coordinating items like a rug or lamp to go with it. And we also wanted to make sure our customers could share their designs. So whether it's like for the holidays or, they just want opinions on their room. So like I said, we made it possible for them to take screenshots and then text, email, or just like post it up on Facebook to get opinions with their friends. So they're using it just as we envisioned them to, and customers are super social. So we've already seen some really great, well-designed rooms out there right within their own home.
So maybe just to level set a little bit, can you talk about, and I probably should ask this right up front, when did the app go live with this augmented reality technology functionality?
So our MVP went live in September with Apple's AR Kit release. And then we just did a recent update a couple of weeks ago. So we added some features to the experience, made it really shoppable, added more recommended products, and curated rooms. So that was about 2 weeks ago.
So let's talk a little bit about why Overstock chose to invest in AR in particular. Why is that a technology that you believe can improve your customers' experiences, I guess, and then ultimately prove beneficial to the brand?
Yeah, so Overstock, at its core, a lot of people don't know this, but Overstock, because we're e-commerce, we're a technology company, so we're always exploring and investing in new technology. You can use Bitcoin actually as an example, but ultimately AR also provides an experience that's better to like even a brick and mortar experience or even a showroom experience because we're giving customers the ability to view the products right inside their home. And so we truly believe that this isn't just the future of shopping online, but it's the future of retail.
Yeah, it's interesting. I was going to ask you, maybe even not even specific to Overstock, but you guys believe in the kind of, like you said, the future of retail is technologies like this, like augmented reality. And I guess that with that, it means it's probably applicable across a lot of product categories.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, we're focusing on furniture and home, but we're seeing, augmented reality, while customers weren't as familiar with it a year ago, you've now got companies like Apple, Google, Facebook, all backing the technology. So this is, it's definitely going to be the norm for shopping or retail within the next year or two.
So you mentioned that you went live with the AR kit in September and then had an update in the last couple of weeks. I'm interested in the company's in the feedback that you've gotten from your customers since you've rolled out this augmented reality tech.
It's actually been overwhelmingly positive. I think because it's just sort of fun to play with. I mean, any new technology is fun to play with, but it's also super social. You can definitely share what you're building. And we're seeing improved engagement within our app. We're seeing improved time that users are spending within our app. So we're pretty happy about the metrics and the user adoption that we've seen so far.
Yeah, that's a good segue into my next question is, what have been Overstock's goals for the use of augmented reality? And then are there any initial results that you might be able to share around those goals?
Well, first and foremost, we just wanted to make it as easy as possible for our customers to shop on Overstock. And it's a really big step to buy furniture online. So we want to take some of the major pain points out of, shopping for furniture and home goods. But, for us, our big goal is just to create an interactive experience that our customers really enjoy. So in terms of metrics, like I mentioned, we're looking at time in app. Our customers are spending a lot more time within our app. We're looking at engagement metrics. They're engaging with our app a lot more because our AR, the live view of our app, you can favorite items within the view. You can add to cart. We're seeing increased engagements within that experience and add to cart and conversion as well.
So are customers able to purchase within the app, or they have to go to the desktop site to make purchases? How does that work?
Oh, yeah. They can purchase products within our app. They can do anything within our app that they can do on the website, but then they can also within our app, view the products in their home, create lists, favorite items, take pictures, share, and then within AR, you can also add items to cart and purchase right there within the live view.
As you mentioned, Overstock an online-only brand. So how has this transition to more and more shoppers using mobile been impacted Overstock? And, that could be both the mobile app and also the desktop, the mobile.com site. What kind of, shift have you seen in your customers' behavior and their willingness to shop and purchase via their phones?
Well, we're seeing, like all other companies, a pretty big traffic shift. So people do a lot of discovery on their phones, both on our mobile site and then within app. And then they also purchase on the desktop. But customers are becoming more and more familiar with shopping on their mobile devices as well.
And then my final question, Jamie, is, we've talked a lot today about the rollout of augmented reality within Overstock's app. What other ways is the company using technology to improve its customer shopping experiences? Maybe, you mentioned Bitcoin. Is there other ways that you want to talk about here?
Yeah, I would say one of the biggest ways we're using technology is definitely with machine learning. So we're working on implementing, utilizing machine learning in all areas of the business to just further personalize the shopping experience. So like presenting individualized product recommendations to each customer throughout their purchase path, or offering individually curated rooms and specific styles we know the customer will love, and letting them view those rooms in their own home using the AR environment. Just finding new ways to combine and integrate cutting-edge technologies across the entire customer experience, whether it's in the app, mobile, web.
Great. So I want to take this opportunity to thank Jaime Wilson of Overstock.com for joining me today and telling us a little bit about the company's use of augmented reality within its app. Please check out our podcast channel page, mytotalretail.com/podcasts for show notes. Total Retail Talks is available on iTunes, Google Play, and Stitcher, but make sure to subscribe on our podcast channel page as well. Thanks, and I look forward to you joining us on the next episode of Total Retail Talks.